Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can download and install the Google Drive for your Windows. Just open the Google Chrome and type there Google Drive for desktop. Click on the first link and make sure you sign in with your Gmail ID. And here is the link. This one. Download for Windows. And its exe should be downloading like this. So once it is downloaded, I will show you. We can also mount it on the desktop here. Likewise, you have the another partition, so you can do similar tasks with this by mapping the Google Drive into your this PC or local desktop location here. Let's wait here for some seconds. Okay, it's done now. Let's open the downloaded file or folder, and we need to run the Google Drive setup.exe. You just need to double click on it. Take both options, click on install. Now you can close this and make your default browser which you are using currently. So I'm using here the Google Chrome as a default browser. Since the drive sign in will be connected with the default browser, you need to sign in with your default browser. Google Chrome, set as default. Okay, close this now. Click on launch, and once you launch it, it will also open from here. You just need to wait again. You can see it's exe setup.exe and shortcut is created here. Now it should be launching from here. You can see. You need to click on get started. Click on sign in, and it will directly launch the default browser here. Since the one-time sign is required, now you can see it has automatically launched the default browser. You just need to click on your Gmail ID in which you want to use. Click on sign in again and you should able to see the success. So we can close this now, and it is also going to finishing up some setting up Google Drive for desktop. Choose the welcome drive location, select next, got it. Backup photo, video and Google Drive photos, so you can choose the location wherever you want. This is for a photo video, but if you don't want to back up the video and other things, you can click on skip and click on next. Next. Now open drive. Now it is mounted here. Let me open from here now. See guys, we have successfully mapped the Google Drive on our desktop. You can see here my drives. Okay, all the details you can see here, and we can also open this up. So this is how guys we can create the Google Drive on our PC. So hope this video is really helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Also you can join the membership in order to watch the exclusive video. So thank you, thanks for watching.